Everybody, it's Dex, the Simple Marketer, just showcasing you a powerful software tool that I've been using in my business to help me organize and simplify all my processes and files in order to get the most bang for my buck. Now, a lot of people often complain about information overload. They have so many books, they've got so many video courses and audio courses that they're trying to learn from. However, they're just not retaining anything. You can buy a dozen courses, but if you don't retain and remember anything and have anything that you can implement at the end of the day, then really it's no good to you. So let me show you how this software I created is going to help. We're going to open up this, just an example file right here. Basically, I created a software where I can create notes on any sort of file type that I have on my computer, and it lets me easily and very systematically track and look at my notes instantly without having to go searching for that product and going back through it, re-listening to it, re-reading it, re-watching it to gather that same powerful information that I got that very first time. How often do will purchase an information product, really excited to learn some of the strategies inside of it, and we'll read it and be like, oh, I can't wait to implement that strategy. But then, the next week or a couple of days later, we find another software project or information product, and we look at those strategies. We're like, oh, these strategies are really cool too. You know what? 2 or 3 months down the road, we've got 12 different information products, all giving us different strategies and things we can implement. And now everything's getting blurred together. And pretty soon we have to go back and re-watch or reread wherever we read before just to remember what those core strategies were that we were so impressed with and so excited to use. In this case, now you can just compile your notes and that'll be done for you. Now, the best part about this program, which I really love, is the ability to load any information file into the software so you never have to go looking for it again. For example, let's say I wanted to load this AdSense arbitrage PDF into my software. I could then read through it. I'll open it, right click, open. So I scroll through it, bada bing, AdSense arbitrage, very impressive stuff. I make some notes. How to make money with AdSense. Quick note just so I can one line look what it's all about. Here's a strategy, action plan, whatever. Now maybe this item was an item I got as a bonus. Maybe it comes with a reseller site because it has resell rights. If I was looking for something that I could attach to a new AdSense product coming out, this would be something that I would want to use if it came with resell rights. And instead of having to search through all my folders for items with resell rights that are used for AdSense, I could then use this software. Maybe the value of this PDF was $37. I'd have to go look through it, but you get the point. Very powerful stuff. I can rank it if it's a low, medium, high quality product, so that if I'm ever looking for an AdSense ebook that I downloaded because I want to refresh myself on some AdSense strategies, maybe this isn't something that I want to read again. Maybe it was a very low quality product and I'm only keeping it around because it does have resell rights. So I save it, close it. We go back to this grid here, and this grid you can organize it any way you like. Right now I have it set up for name of product, creator, file type, price, could sell at, niche topic, but you know what? Maybe I want to change that around. So I right click, choose column chooser, and I decide that I don't want to show the quick notes. I don't want to show the quality, but I do want to see if it was a bonus item, and I do want to know if it comes with a reseller's website included. So I just, boom, drop it. Now I can organize this however I want to sort it. If I want to use this software simply for tracking my resell rights items, I can do that. If I want to use this software to track all my audio files and all the courses I have and what I learned in them, I can do that as well. Even better, how often do we bookmark something? I'm just going to close this down. How often do we bookmark files or great internet resources into our Firefox or Internet Explorer browsers? But you know what? At the end of the day, we really don't remember why we bookmarked it. Well, here, you can start saving bookmarks to your computer. I just did that with the Warrior Forum. And now, right-click, open. Load, load, load. Warrior form right there. Very great stuff. And going back to here. So now I can make notes on that bookmark, what I saw, what I liked. Obviously, there's no bonus rights to that. A very high quality thing run by Alan, as we all know. File type, it's a web page. You can showcase this so you can also help organize it. Like I said, powerful stuff. Hopefully you can start seeing the benefit of how you can use it. Software comes with a built-in help video access file. Basically any questions and frequently asked questions I receive, I'll be updating here, as well as the version. As updates come out, I will send emails out, and this is the page that you'll come to download the latest version. Before I go, another powerful aspect of this software is the ability to group. Now, let's say you want to group all of these products based on their file type. You can drag it over here. Now you have your audio files, your electronic books, your video files, your web pages. Now you can go one step further. Let's group it by, let's bring back a column chooser. Let's bring back the quality of the product. And let's start sub-ranking or sub-filtering the all the information files based on their quality. So now we have the audio files, we have the web pages, and now we can see the web pages that are of high quality and those that are medium quality. Very powerful stuff. Now to remove that, right-click, clear grouping. Now let's say you want to quickly just find all the information products you have on your computer related to PPC. You type it in, hit enter, boom, you now have all the PPC files that you're looking for. Maybe you're just looking for anything that has to do with AdWords. You do a search for all of the files that have AdWords in any of the fields. Boom, there you go. Very powerful stuff. One other thing I want to show you, you can then export all of your records using any of these. XML, really good for mobile devices. HTML if you want to load it up to a web page. Excel, sharing with business partners, or further manipulation in different software. Like I said, this whole software has made a huge difference in my business. Print preview, you can take a look at how your grids are going to showcase. You can change the background color. You can add watermarks, change the layout. There's a ton that can be done with this software. So yeah, hopefully you can see the power behind the software. Currently, it is going to be available for $67 on ClickBank, with that price going up in the near future as new things are added, such as the ability to import all of these different file types. Currently, can only be exported. There will be password security added on, etc. So yeah, enjoy the software. Take care.